Hi, my name is Carlos Machuca, and I'm a project manager at EarthLink. My favorite part of the workday is when I'm able to go outside to work with my technicians. I enjoy it because it's every day is different. The skill that I gain working with EarthLink is to be able to work more as a network engineering, be able to know more of our services like the switches we have and the routers. On a role like this, a person to be successful needs to be courage and be able to work on heights, since we always need to be working with our antennas and our on top of the roof. So basically it can get scary, but if you don't think about it, you can do it. So EarthLink prepared for this role by providing us with all the necessary tools to be able to go out and do our installs and help our customers to get their service. Hi, I'm Carlos Machuca and I'm an EarthLinker.